Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 3 days worth of sales on Posh. Let me tell you how much I earned. All right, so our first item is a bundle, and you know how much I like to do bundles. We sold a men's white Ramie straw band fitted fedora hat, along with a size small swimsuit and a Pepsi t-shirt. When I add all of those things together, I'm going to give you all the numbers of my earnings, not what the item actually sold for. So I'm going to give you my earnings number afterwards, and then I'll tell you how much I paid for each item, and then deduct that from it, and I'm going to put everything on the board and let you know how much did I make after 3 days worth of sales on Posh. So this I paid $1 for out of a liquidation box. This was $1 as well, and this was 50 cents out of a at the Goodwill outlet. And so I am at $2.50 totally invested. $10.05 is what I earned on all 3 of those items. And so if I take my $2.50 minus my 10, I'm at $7.55 for my total earnings. I think I did the math right there. So I'm just going to do that with every single item. I've got this cute, gorgeous, deluxe light blue crossbody bag. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid for that. And I earned $17.40, so I take my $2 off of that. So $15.40 are my in-pocket earnings for that item. Then the next item I have is another classy New York Company purse, really cute with some faux fur on it. And so I had 50 cents invested in this because I got it from the Goodwill outlet. $2.05 is what I earned, so $1.55 are my in-pocket profits, and I've had that one on there for a very, very long time. Okay, so the next thing that I sold is a Fanny Crosby crossband faux fur slide sandals, purple, size 10. I earned $3.25. $2 is what I paid for them. So $1.25 are my in-pocket earnings. The next item that I have is a women's red, white, and blue tankini swimsuit with shorts. I earned $20 on that. $2 from a brand new liquidator is what I used to pay for that, and so $18 on my in-pocket earnings. I'm going to try out this new liquidator a couple of times, and then I might divulge who it is. Got to keep some secrets sometimes. All right, my next thing that I sold is a universal thread Cassandra new with tag size 6 combat boots. Super cute, brand new, still with the original box. Box is a little beat up, but the shoes are brand new. I earned $4.05 on that. $2 from a liquidation box is what I paid. So $2.05 are my in-pocket earnings. The next thing that I have sold is a very cute Merona new without tags one-piece lined halter swimsuit. I earned $2.05 on that, paid 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet. So $1.55 are my in-pocket earnings. The next item that I have is a very appropriate, that's a swimsuit, a very appropriate red, white, and blue festive basic editions 3X shirt with fireworks. I earned let me see, $3.05 on this. 50 cents is what I paid for it from the Goodwill outlet. So $2.55 are my in-pocket earnings. Let's see, then I have next I thought that I had run out of these, but I actually have a couple more of these really, really cute mules. And so the women's Junebug mules, a New Day silver, $5.25 is what I earned from those. $2 is what I paid, so $3.25 are my in-pocket earnings from those. Let me see. Right behind me, I have got a white Gino Vitale men's slim fit suit, 40 regular, 34 waist. $36 is what I earned on that white suit. $4 is what I paid for it out of a liquidation box. So $32 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Then it must be the week for suits because I sold a bunch. Then I've got another blue suit. This is a 3-piece suit. Jack Luxton men's slim fit 3-piece suit, 42 regular, 36 waist. I earned on that suit $40. $4 is what I paid for it. So $36 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Tried to write the wrong number. 36. And then after that, I have these new without tags, A New Day Reese Black quilted sneakers. They're kind of slip-on quilted sneakers, 6.5 in size, and I earned $7.05. $2 is what I paid for it, so $5.05 are my in-pocket earnings on that one. The next item I have here is a crossbody bag. Right here, very, very cute, a tan small crossbody bag, faux leather crossbody bag with adjustable strap. $2.25 is what I earned on that. $2 is what I paid, so I made a whopping 25 cents. Wah, wah, wah. So some things I don't make a ton of money on, but other things are good. This is super cute. It's got like this cute jeweled ball that goes right through the middle of the purse. This is a Betsy Johnson genuine leather chain purse is what I called it. $15.80 on that one purse. $2 is what I paid for it. So $13.80 for my in-pocket profits. The next item I have is a set of PJs, a brand new Nuvano long sleeve PJs. Tops and bottoms. $4.25 is what I paid for it. $4.25 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid for it. $2.25 are my in-pocket profits. Then I've got these really, really cute Jillian and O'Malley size 910 slipper boots. I basically earned $8.05 on that. $2 is what I paid for it. So $6.05 are my in-pocket profits on those cute slippers. Then I have my black patriotic hat. I've only got one more left of these, so if you'd like this, it's got an embroidered gray flag on it. Kind of gray and black. It's really, really nice. Perfect for 4th of July. So I've got this black on black hat. I've also got some other colors, so check them out. $7.05 is what I earned on this. $4 is what I paid for those direct for wholesale from a liquidator. $3.05 are my in-pocket profits. I've also got those available on my hookedonpickin.com website. So if you'd like to check them out there, you can as well. The next thing that I have for sale is, let me see, I'm down here. These shoes here, let me see, Henry Ferreira. Nope, sorry, I'm on the wrong end. These ones here. These Henry Ferreira loafers. Really, really in good shape. Black casual driver loafers is what they're called. I earned $9.05. $4 is what I paid for them. These go over here. $4 is what I paid for them, and $5.05 is my in-pocket earnings. That's what I get for trying to multitask. I'm trying to put the wrong shoes in there. All right. Then I have this hula baseball hat, Goodfellow hula baseball hat. I've got a few more of those available, so check those out. I earned $2.05, got them out of a liquidation box for $1, so $1.05 are my in-pocket earnings. Then after that, I have got a pair of 18 regular Old Navy crop capri pants. Perfect time of the year for the capri pants. $4.25 is what I earned. 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet is what I paid. So $3.75 are my in-pocket profits. And then my next item I've got are these pair of suede boots with kind of a stretchy ankle on them. They're a size 9.5. Let me see. I earned $7.05 and I paid $2 out of a liquidation box. $5.05 are my in-pocket profits on those boots. Let's see. Next thing I've got is a stylish Jamie Sadek Golf Tennis Pro shirt polo with rivets. I earned $1.25. Got that from the Goodwill outlet. 50 cents is what I paid for it. So 75 cents. And that has been in my store since almost the beginning, so it needed to go bye-bye for a cheap price. I do have a bundle that I sold. I don't have everything packaged up, but I'm going to tell you exactly what was in it and show you just a couple of the things. Let me walk off screen and I'll be right back. So I've got 5 things in this bundle. 3 of them I've already got found, and then the other 2 I'll get and package with it. But I've got this really cool spaceship backpack, which is really cool. Then I've got this purple robe with slippers. I've got more of these on my Poshmark store, so check those out. And then I've got a pair of quilted shoes here, as well as I also sold a pair of camo pants and a long green cardigan. So with all of those things, I actually earned $40 on that bundle of 5 items. $8 in total is what I paid for everything. So I have a total in-pocket profit of $32 on those 5 items. And then let's see, what else do I have? I've got this chic Victoria's Secret plunging halter top. It's really, really cute, kind of a peach color. That I found at a Goodwill outlet. Good thing the suit is in a plastic bag so it doesn't fall again. There, doesn't get dirty. All right, so that peach halter top, sorry, the Victoria's Secret peach halter top, I earned $5.25, 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet is what I paid for $4.75. The next item I have is a pair of magnetic Mickey Mouse earrings. They're very, very cute. They have just little magnetic circles that go on the back. So these Mickey Mouse earrings, I paid $1 for. I actually ordered them from China. And so $1.25 is what I earned on it. And so I only made 25 cents on those. That was kind of one of my, let's see if I can make some money on these, and they didn't go as well as I had hoped. The next thing I have is a men's stainless steel love spinner ring. It's really, really cool. It's stainless steel, and then the middle of it says love, and it spins round and round. I also have ones that say Jesus. I also have gold and silver as well. That's just a silver one. So that one, men's stainless steel spinner ring, $2.05 is what I earned. I only paid $1 for it from a wholesaler. And so $2.05, so $1.05 are my in-pocket profits on that. Then the next thing I have is a cute Faded Glory XXL sleeveless scoop neck top. $2.25 is what I earned on that. 50 cents is what I paid at the Goodwill outlet. So $1.75 are my in-pocket profits. And then last but not least, I've got a new without tags Franco Vannucci. Oh, I do have the suit behind me that I'll tell you about. Franco Vannucci pair of shoes, memory foam shoes right here. They're really, really nice, knitted, come with their own little dust bag is what I have been told it's called. $12.80 is what I earned on that. $2 from a liquidation box is what I paid. $10.80 are my in-pocket profits. And then I have this classic Massimo suit coat right here, size 48 regular. That one I earned $6.25. I only paid $2 from a liquidation box on that. And so $4.25 is what my in-pocket profits is. So for 3 days worth of Poshmark sales, I'm going to add everything up and let you know exactly what my total is and how many orders it is for 3 days on Poshmark. Okay, so I added everything up. It came up to 29 orders for 3 days of sales on Poshmark for a total of $222.10. Not too shabby for 3 days worth of work, and I have to package up these 29 orders and get them off to my customers. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can make in 3 days worth of sales on Poshmark if you stay very diligent. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.